This is the Mercku M2 Hive, the ultimate Wi-Fi system. See these cute little guys? They're called bees. Plug them in, and they form a powerful mesh network. You guys have signal over there?
Yeah.
Cool. We set out to build a Wi-Fi system for the connected home, because if it isn't already, your house is about to be full of things that use the internet. Speakers, thermostats, lamps, cameras, assistants, this thing.
I hate that thing.
So you can see why the M2 supports up to 60 devices and gives you a high bandwidth connection anywhere in your home. But your home has walls. And that's where Wi-Fi hits the wall, not the M2. Its signal is so strong that it bounces off of walls and can even go through them. Together with the bees, this forms a strong mesh network, so you get coverage in all those hard-to-reach places in your house. The bees are flexible, and you can easily rearrange them for even stronger signal in areas you need it. The M2 is also fast.
Is it faster than what we already have?
Oh yeah, it's 20% faster than the next best router out there, around double the speed of the industry average. It can even handle multiple streams of 8K video. That's twice the resolution you have now.
Actually, it's 4 times more.
Seriously? Whoa. Our easy-to-use mobile app puts you in control of the entire network, so you can manage users,
Hey! Do your homework.
and get a full view of the speeds across the system to avoid bottlenecks. Like if someone leaves the TV streaming.
You're always doing that.
So who builds this thing?
Mercku, based outside Toronto, Canada. Our technology has been used by some of the world's largest telecom and internet companies, but this new generation is even more powerful.
If you guys unblocked me, I could Google this for you.
And who's on your team?
We've got a world-class team. One of our lead engineers created the technology behind all modern smartphone antennas. Another developed signal technology for satellites. Collectively, our team has over 500 patents and has won numerous design and engineering awards. Together, we're committed to building the very best Wi-Fi hardware to power the future of connected technology. And we want you to join us in building that future.
Us.
Definitely. Back us and get an M2. Fast, future-proof Wi-Fi. From Mercku.